Ascent 5, AS channel letter, bending machine, processing extrusions. This machine utilizes Ascent, UL, certified aluminum extrusions to create channel letters without trim, combined frontlit and backlit options, side-lit plastic, side returns, and complex shape logo boxes. Letter heights can range from 3 inches and up with no maximum limit. In this video, we demonstrate how to process a 2-inch extrusion to create the number 7. We begin by inserting the extrusion into the machine, selecting the appropriate file, and determining the start and finish points. The machine can produce sharp bends ranging from 0% to 100%, depending on the letter size. You can view the assembly process for creating a trimless channel letter and a reverse halo without welding